Law school is somewhat competitive, but I think we have a culture of support amongst our students here, which I find really impressive.
A big difference for us is really spending a lot of time with the students and being good teachers and getting connected with our students, understand their background, understand where they want to go, and then be able to help get them there.
Here you should really expect your faculty to be very accessible to you. So you will have questions, and you should really expect to be able to stay after class, chat with your faculty, come to office hours. People have open doors here.
Law school is always very challenging. Law school is an area academically where you can pour your all into law school and still feel like you have not given it enough or could have achieved more. And that really requires a little bit of a pivot. Learning-wise, for most people, doing that requires an open mind, requires coming and asking for help.
A lot of people compare it to learning a foreign language, right? We'll throw you into a completely new environment, so you should expect to be disoriented. Don't be surprised if it's a little bit overwhelming at first, because we're ultimately helping you train your brain to think like a lawyer.
Increasing your reading speed, reading a lot. We used to call law school reading for the law, and so we do a lot of reading, so making sure that you're really trained up for reading a lot before you come.
The advice I was given before I started at the University of Dayton School of Law was to make sure to organize your garage. Anything that you can think of so that your life is in order and you're not having to tackle that during law school, I think is really important to do.
It's probably, for a lot of people, their first time when their workload has been exponentially higher than what they've experienced in the past. So a lot of it is figuring out how to manage your own time and energy well to do what you need to do.
One of the things I think can really help students their first year, maybe not their first semester or even before they go to law school, is to observe different legal proceedings. So if you have an opportunity in your hometown or wherever you're coming from to go down to a courthouse and watch a hearing or find a lawyer, interview them about what they love, about what they do. Inspiration really goes a long way in helping you through those long nights studying.